My name is Mohammad Humayun Kabir. I am from Rangpur.
My name is Abu Raihan. I am from Borishal.
My name is Ariful Islam. I am from Mymensingh at Muktagasa.
My name is Iman Hussain. I am from Roshindi.
My name is Mohammad Mumtain Zaman Sen. I am from Meherpur.
I'm Sai Mohammed. I am from Chattogram.
My name is Rakibul Islam. I am from Noakhali.
My name is Emni Nasimul Islam Rizvi. I am from Gajipur.
My name is Kauthar. I am from Bhola.
My name is Ramizuddin. I am from Rajbari.
My name is ACM Nazmullah. My nickname is Hassan. I am from Noakhali.
My name is Sabir Hawladar. I am from Borishal.
I am from Shariatpur. Famous people name is Haji Shariatullah.
My name is Enamul Haq. I am from Mymensingh.
My name is Abul Hassan. My nickname is Hassan. I am from Madaripur. It's near Potashitu.
Hi, my name is Indesar Hussain Adib. You call me Adib. I am from Magura.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. I am from Bagerhat.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. I am Baiji Hussain Hamim. I am 17 years old. I am from Khulna.
Yes, I am Arif Chaudhary. I am come from Netrokona.
My name is Mohammad Mustafizur Rahman. I am from Madaripur.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mehdi Hassan. I am from Noakhali.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Md Hassan Majumdar. I am from Kumilla.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan Sarkar. You call me Hassan. I am from Kumilla.